Hello guys, good morning. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Autoboyson. So direct to the point tayo guys. So yung ginagawa natin ngayon guys ay Nissan Serena. So ang issue nito guys, walang third at saka fourth gear. So ngayon ating babaklasin itong transmission. Pero bago yan, itong valve body muna yung tatanggalin natin. Dahil ang plano natin nito ay overhaul, pero i-check natin yung condition muna, yung langis. I-check na rin natin yung condition ng valve body. So i-check natin yan, langis, filter at valve body assembly. So yan yung gagawin natin guys, dahil mostly guys nagkakaroon ng problema dito yan sa langis at valve body. So walang third at saka fourth gear. So yun lang guys yung may share ko sa inyo. So bago natin i-pull down yung transmission ay magsisimula muna tayo sa visual checking ng langis, filter at valve body assembly. So this is Autoboyson guys. Abangan nyo lang guys yung result ng ating diagnosing at checking ng transmission na to guys. So ang transmission nito guys ay is R20DT. So imported to guys na Nissan van. So yun lang guys yung share ko sa inyo guys. So this is Autoboyson. Thank you for watching at God bless you all. So yan lang ang abangan ninyo. So ito guys yung oil pan niya. So far yung oil pan niya malinis naman, walang mga debris na nakita natin. Ang nakita lang natin ay nagli-leaking yung oil pan dahil sa gasket na nilagay nila. At yung fluid niya ay nagpo-foaming. So bumubula yung fluid niya. At palitin na rin yung fluid niya dahil medyo kakaiba na yung kulay. So yan yung natin na discover. Kaya magsisimula tayo sa valve body at langis na ating i-correct. So this is Autoboyson. Good morning and God bless.
Make